Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I am teaching you Valentine Day nail art design, chrome hearts design. This futuristic French tips nod to the seasons of love with zero need for red or pink paint. Nail artist Jessica Vasek used a base coat of AC Fairy Taylor, a sheer light pink, and accent with a chrome silver polish from UK. Base polish brand models on. With the French tips in place, she added heart shaped mental charms to seal the Valentine's Day deal. Let's move to another heart design is cute cutout hearts. Nail artist Emily Zhang knows where no need to choose between French tips and festive hearts. If you can believe it, she hand painted that perfect heart. Here's her tactic. I placed two dots next to each other to create the top of the heart with the thin detail brush. I drew a V below the dots and filled it in. Just make sure your base coat is dry before adding the heart on top. And yes, that also works as a relationship metaphor. Next design is espresso hearts nail art design. Nail artist Jessica Beard terms this look espresso hearts, a rich tone manicure that celebrates cupid without resorting to traditional V-Day colors. It could also double as chocolate truffle hearts, caramel hearts, or for those who are really trying to send a hint to their significant other, leather handbag hearts. Here's you go, ladies. Your design is ready to enjoy your Valentine's Day. Thank you very much for watching my video.